Okay, so here's the thing. YouTube really doesn't want you to know this, but being yourself is the real algorithm. You see, everyone's talking about what YouTube wants from you. Nobody's speaking about what YouTube gives to you. And for me, out here in the tranquility and the peace of the countryside, it's this. It's the chance to sound like yourself. After all, it's just me, the camera, and my voice. And the digital world of likes and views and tiny little yellow clapping hands just doesn't even exist anymore. And that's the thing. You see, most of us spend our lives learning how to speak for other people. Meetings, presentations, phone calls, and even small talk. It's all about pleasing other people. But this, talking to the camera, it's something else. It's not public speaking. It's personal speaking. And since it's me, and I'm always thinking of ancient Rome, I think I would call it something like a new kind of oratory. Not for applause, not for persuasion, but for clarity and for a connection and self-understanding. It's almost the way Cicero might have done, pacing the gardens of his villa in Tusculum, rehearsing not for the Senate, but just to hear his own convictions spoken out loud. You see, the secret in YouTube is not the views, it's finding your own voice. When you speak honestly to a lens with no pressure, no audience, you slowly start to strip away the pretense, the performance. And that's when something shifts. Perhaps it's a shift in your personality, in your character, but I think it shifts in life in general. You begin to believe what you say. You almost begin to trust what you're saying. And the more you do that, the better life gets.